ba? Headless or not? I wanna go in the headless, guys. I want it to right now. Not sure. No, just stay in my life. You're not enjoying? Andre! Andre, sagad mo pa kasi. Come on, Andre. Andre. Masaway. Gago, 640. Guys, hindi pa na po private dito yung... Andre naman, parang tang. Hello, thank you, Andre. Thank you! Hindi matataasan yung boses ko kasi may ubo kasi ako. Kulang ata sa subo. Oo. Kulang sa... Gusto mo, itry ko na lang sa'yo, Andre? Nice to see you again, yeah! Just stay in my life, bake my shake. I'm gonna dance like this. Dance like this. I don't have a song yet kasi winter. I'm just starting a live. That's why if I'm gonna get my salary, I'm gonna buy a music. Music. Puta na, pinapano na pala yung music. I mean, basta, never mind. Ha! Moto, thank you. Mara. Just right on your day, right on your day. Mga, ano ba to? Mga English ba to? Hindi nagko-comment ba sila? Hindi ko alam kung tapo na naman si Coco Melon. Hindi ko alam kung mga English ba to, mga Tagalog ba, hindi tayo kakaintindihan kasi nagda-drop lang sila. Tapos hindi sila nagko-comment kung Tagalog ba sila o English para mag-adjust tayo. Gorgeous my panty. Oh. I'm doing your baby, How tall are you? 5'7". Look at my legs. I'm a 5'7". I'm a tall. Yeah. So I want more gift cause my quota. Yes, sir. Oh no, Andre. Grabe ka na, Bia. Ari dada. Okay. Grabe ka na, Bia. Grabe ka na, Bia. Hey. Grabe ka na, Bia. Why? How tall are you? 2. I'm asking you to stand up with check. Wow, sinisindan eh. Tagalog ko kasi nagpipit siya, be. Susuntukin na kita, Tagalog ka pala, pinapahirapan mo ako eh. 6'2"? Wow, you're so tall. Is yung baba mo din ba mataas din? I don't wanna fight. Guys, nakakapagod. Totoo, nakakapagod pala talaga. Makabalik ko lang sa video, tapos nakapagod na agad ako. Wala pa akong 1 month. Guys. Okay, I'm shorter than you. Outer her. Out. What? So how tall? Like, what is your height? Is it okay? We gonna make it perfect when we are in the bed. You know? What I mean is, we're in the same height if we are in the bed. Putang ina kasi, Bi, pa ma-English na nandito, Bi. Hirap na nga tayo mag-entertain. Sa nga ng lalamunan ko. Yeah. Full. Yeah. You're from, again, Andre, you're from what? I think you're a Filipino because your ID is Sarap. You're just joking me, I think. You're just lying me. Sarap. But it's X. Weh, masarap po ba? Ang OA. Oh my God! Yes, more! Yes. Yes. Yup. More. More, Andre. More, Andre. Hey, more. Andre, more. You wanna send 99 times the gift that... whatever. Sakit na ng ulo ko dito. Tapos, heis. I'm gonna put some earrings right here. Pursing. Is it okay with you guys? K9 dog, hello. I'm gonna put some earrings here in my tummy. I'm gonna put here. So that it looks cool. Is it, I guess? Yeah. I'm gonna put it like next month. Birth month. My birth month is next month. So I'm gonna put it. Sus, mas masakit pa yung na-virginan ka, Bi. Mas masakit pa yun kaysa sa yun, isang kurot na yun. Diba? Dapat kasi pantay. Romy, hi. Ganyan. Yeah, you kiss it. Maybe I'm gonna do a workout soon because my abs is getting fat. My tabs is getting fat and I wanna do abs soon. Andre! Hey! What did I do to make you fall in love with me? Secret. I'm gonna do a dance or I'm gonna do a twerk, but I don't know how to twerk. Yeah, I'm not gonna twerk because I'm not gonna, or you want me to do a sexy dance? Yun! Yun! Dapat isang 1K na yan para naman screen record ako din. Battery low. Who, you? Charge it. Oh. Andre. What am I gonna do to make you satisfied? Because you know, if the boys will be gonna satisfied on the girl's performance, yeah, it's Krispy Kreme hello, di ba?